uh, model section of the ROBLOX studio. The model section is the same way as the home section, where the home section only show all of the tools that you can use, but for the model section it's kind of more like an advanced, where you can use different types of method that you can use, like you can pivot the objects, pivot the structure that you are working on, and you can snap them in either one stud or 1.2 stud depending on your liking, and you can rotate them into such precise with this 45 degree, 50 degree. Let's say this trunk you want, right? So you want to rotate it, so rotating it 80, and just need to find 180. Yeah, like there, just need to find that. Pivot is the same and aligned by using advanced tool that can align the object or align the part, and the parts is just the same as in the home tool. And here can be set also the union, where you can add two objects and intersect part. Replace is the one that you can use if you want to overlap a object between two together. As for the negate part, just negate the objects that you want to negate. Let's say the tank, you want to negate it, that wall. So when we use this and coming closer to it will never merge together or overlap, just negate each other. The separate part is, let's say there's a object inside another object and you want to separate them. You can use this separate as the constraint. You can use something like this when you want an object to be far away or create something like that. You can use look at the advanced choices that you can make, like a rigid constraint, hinge, prosthetic, cylindrical, universal, plane, and other more. As for the effects, here you can add some effects to the area where you want to add explosion or want to add smoke, depending on, and you can add the spawn point you want. And here you can use this as a 3D import, where you can insert an object and you can put in files, and you can insert and you can use in this run script, you can use the code that you import or insert inside the object, where it can make us either a sound, it can, where you will need to encode it first, wherein says here you need to execute a Lua code from a file. So that's how you can insert in Roblox Studio. You learn something how can we use the model part. So that's all.